Meaning of gibberish.
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 Gibberish. Gibberish refers to meaningless or unintelligible speech or writing. It is often used to describe language that is incomprehensible due to being a jumble of words, nonsense phrases, or total lack of coherence. This term can also be used to describe someone speaking in an unfamiliar language or dialect, making it difficult to understand. The word gibberish originated from the word gibber, which means to speak rapidly and unintelligibly. Overall, gibberish is used to describe language that is nonsensical and lacks clarity.